Let P comma Q be points of trisection of AB with P closer to A and Q closer to B. Using your knowledge of how to find the coordinates of midpoint of a segment. How would you find the coordinates of P and Q? Do this for the case when the points are A 4, 7 and B 16, minus 2. So here P comma Q be points of a trisection of AB. That means here one line segment is there, that is AB. So here the 2 points lies on this AB segment and it is a trisection. So trisection means 3 parts is equally divided with 2 points. And here the points are mentioned that P is closer to A, that means here P is closer to A and Q is closer to B. So equally divided means from A to P, that is A, and P to Q, that is also A. So Q to B, that is also A. That means the 3 parts are having the equal distance. So look at the P point. So P is the equidistant from A and equidistant from Q. So that is P is equidistant from A and Q. So P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of AQ. And another one, look at this one. Q is the equidistant of P and B. Equidistant of P and B. That means Q acts as midpoint. Midpoint of what? Midpoint of PB. And here P is the midpoint of AQ. By this hint, we can solve this problem, or we can find out the coordinates of P and Q. Given points A 4, 7 and B 16, minus. So here now we have to find out what AQ. So we get a P value because P is the midpoint. What is the Q value? Q coordinates we don't know. So let us take Q coordinates x, y. Now the midpoint of AQ is equals to A is 4 plus x is x by 2, and here 7 is y plus y by 2. The midpoint of AQ, that is P is equals to 4 plus x by 2, 7 plus y by 2. So P coordinates are 4 plus x by 2, 7 plus y by 2. We got P points 4 plus x by 2, 7 plus y by 2. Now we have to find out what? Again we have to find out Q value. How we will find out? While taking 2 coordinates PB. Okay, the midpoint of PB is Q point. So right, the midpoint of P 4 plus x by 2, 7 plus y by 2, D, 16, minus 2. So the midpoint formula, we know that x1 plus x2 by 2, y, that is y1 plus